A new article published in the academic journal Science says BC is at a crossroads when it comes to the cost of wildfires. The authors say over the past decade, the direct cost of suppressing wildfires in the province was more than $4.8 billion.
But we also pay for this other huge side, which is called indirect fire costs. So that's human health, both physical and mental. That's business losses. That's the cost of evacuations. That's infrastructure damage.
It's an issue front and center for the wine industry, which says smoke taint and tourism losses have hit businesses hard.
We've had some wildfires in the past where, these tourists become hesitant to travel to the region because they're worried that the trip will get canceled last minute. So finding a way to mitigate the damage from these causes and manage wildfires better is an absolute priority for our industry.
Wildfire ecologist Robert Gray says BC has spent a couple $100 million on prevention since 2005, but it's not enough.
The proof in the pudding is that we're still having bigger and bigger fires. So, and those costs are going up. So obviously the amount of money that's been spent so far is inadequate.
Gray and his co-authors argue that unless there's a shift to more mitigation, the future costs of responding to and recovering from wildfires will skyrocket.
The amount of money the province has to set aside for that, significant bad fire season gets bigger and bigger in contingency, and that eats into social programs.
The Ministry of Forests says when it comes to preparedness and mitigation, nearly 200 Crown land wildfire risk reduction projects have been completed. It estimates the cost for the BC Wildfire Service at $478 million between April and October this year. Amelia John, CBC News, Vancouver.